Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. I'm going to be trying on some of the items that I grabbed from Forever 21. I shared the box, but I didn't share all the pieces. That's actually one of the dresses. I know you guys are going to ask. I'm looking at the mirror here. My hair is the same wig that I wore in Atlanta, the same wig that I did my website reveal, but I just kind of put it on. This here is from Laced with Style. Unfortunately, she sold out of this particular one. She may have one or two on her website. You guys know my friend Fash. I'm her baby's godmama and all that jazz. You can definitely check out her website. I will leave it linked down below. I think some of you guys mentioned the black and white dress that I wore in the Don't Rush challenge. That's from her site also. If you haven't checked it out, definitely check it out. Outside of us being friends, I do feel like she carries some really nice pieces on her site. But I'm gonna go ahead and start trying these things on, that way you guys can see them really quickly, okay? I do have on pajama pants, so we'll see how that works out real quick. I decided to go ahead and just grab a pair of jeans. These are from Nordstrom Rack. These are the brand 7 for All Mankind. I like them. They fit really well. I'm short, so I'm trying to do the most. If you're interested in knowing how tall I am, I'm 5 feet. These pants are a size 28, okay? They're size 28, and I really like this. It ties in the back, like so, and then here. But I feel like, you know, I'm a little extra dramatic, and I really love this detail on the front, but I just felt like if I did wear it, that I would tie it like this and then wear some cute heels and just have like my hair all done and just be like super cute. I think it's really nice. So I moved up a little closer because I want you guys to see this detail here around it, which is so freaking cute. I like it. I'm extra, but I'm super simple at the same time. And this is just like super cute. I love it a whole lot. Again, I'm gonna tie this like this on the side. I wanna say this shirt was like under $20. You guys, okay, so first of all, let me just say that I could have this shirt in every color and I wouldn't be mad at all. I love this because I can always wear some like cute chunky wedges and just be real cute and everything and simple. Like, I would consider my attire to be contemporary, right? I like super sleek, just, you know. But at the same time, if I had my way, I think I would probably be a Free People girl, just because I love the flowiness of Free People. I love how it gives the illusion that you don't have any shape to you, but then, you know, underneath you got body. So I feel like I would be that girl, but Free People is really expensive. So when I come across things like this, oh, I'm like so in love. But this is me in a nutshell. When I do wear this, I will safety pin the arms like here. That way when I raise my arms, it doesn't go up. I don't have to keep fidgeting with it. You just put a little safety pin right here up under your arm. But I really overall love this. But if you want to be a little bit more modest, you can roll it down and put it right above the pant. And then you can take this and do one of these numbers, because the sleeves are definitely big enough. I don't like it like this. Or you could do this, which I actually like it like this, which you do like a little one shoulder situation. I do like it like this, 100%. I like it like this. Of course, strapless bra. But yeah, this is, excuse me, this is me. This is me. I wanna go out, but I ain't got nowhere to go because we in coronavirus. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and make some dinner. All right, you guys, this here is a bodysuit. It's a little much. This is definitely not the PTA, but I really like it because this is one of those things where I feel like a sweater and a blazer would look really good over it. Let me show you real quick. This is a sweater that I got from TJ Maxx, and of course, on any other day it's like a random sweater, but like I could still do it like this or wear like a really cute blazer. I like it. I think it's really cute. It is a little, you know, a little extra than what I thought it was going to be to be honest with you, but it's not too crazy. But overall, I do like it. My plan is not to wear it on its own. My plan was definitely to like wear it with a sweater or wear it with a blazer and stuff. But I'm not against wearing it on its own either. So either one will work, and it goes really cute with my head attire. So I like this. Super cute look. So purple has become one of those colors that I've just overall like really grown really fond of it. And this is the back of the shirt. Love it. Again, casual yet a little dressy. So like I really like this a lot. It's super cute. So I'm gonna do a voiceover this part right here, you guys. I don't know what happened, but I guess the voice part of this was corrupted. This dress also was under $20. If you know me, you know that I'm all about wearing like a midi maxi dress. They're super easy on the go, especially with the kids, and I really love it. This dress here, again, absolutely love it. I decided to put it over the black dress. Super cute. This is something that I plan on lounging around the house in. I want to say this was like $16. Absolutely love it. I saw a similar one on Nordstrom Rack. It was like 30-40 bucks, but by the time I got a chance to go on there, it was sold out. So you can definitely check this one out from Forever 21. It's really comfy. I already wore and washed it. Now for the last one, it's a combo of the black dress and the top. Really love the overall look. All I did was just take the dress, tuck it down, and took the white shirt and tuck it underneath it, and pretty much that was it. Moving on to the next part of the day, I ended up making some salmon. I will leave a card right here so you guys can click and see how I did that, along with some couscous. So here is how the meal ended up looking. It is so good, you guys. It is so good. I went to a restaurant in Atlanta and they had grilled salmon and couscous with spinach, and it was really good. So of course, on my Instacart, I placed an order for the same thing. I remade it at home and it was absolutely amazing. Moving on to close to the end part of the day.
Girl, you don't have the whole ecosystem over here. Like, starfish, fish,
coral, they just enjoying the tropics.
Lord.
If these things came to life, I would maybe just...
This is my pot of gold with the rainbow. This is Aiden's.
Lastly, you guys, I wanted to share with you a really quick update. So a lot of the pieces that I ordered from Container Store, they are starting to come in. I'm still missing some more. I did a vote, and a lot of you guys even DM me, and you said you really wanted to wait because you're working on organizing to have everything in one video. So I really took that into consideration. So I had been waiting, and I also reached out to the rep that I deal with the Container Store to check on my order. Now, this is not a collaboration. This is what I ordered on my own. But he was able to check and see if he can kind of expedite it. He said some of the items just weren't in right now because everyone had been organizing. But pretty much I did exactly what I said I was going to do, which is to cut that small piece of wood and add it behind the drawer. And you guys, best freaking thing that I probably could have done because it is amazing. When I mentioned getting the piece cut, some of you guys were a little confused, but see, now I can open and close the drawer and I don't have to really do it with ease at all, which is what I wanted. And I do have the white piece in the back of everything. You can't even see it. Super easy. If you have a tool, or maybe your honey can do something like this for you, but I really love it. I didn't want to do anything sticky that could potentially damage the actual wood underneath. each one of these units, which is why the contact paper wasn't really going to be an option for me, because it is sticky when you take it off, and just, you know, something might be my taste but it may not be someone else's taste. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a mixture of a lot of things that had been pretty much going on in the house. I am so excited to share the overall organization of the kitchen. Hope you guys come back to check that out. For right now, that is it, you guys. Have a really, really great day.